Hey guys, welcome back to the Insanity Carnival. Today we're working on a GSX 600 HO. We had a backfire, now a no start. So we're gonna figure out if we can diagnose what the problem is and fix it. Let's get into that now. This is 2004. What happened? Went to start it, giant backfire, bang, followed by no start. So first thing we did was check the key. Make sure it goes on. We got good contact. All the lights come on. No specific warning. And that's it. Just spins and spins and spins. Starter's going. Nothing's happening. So we're going to check the spark plugs first. And let's see if they're wet, fouled. See what we come up with. So we're in here at the plugs. Pull the cap off. Socket on there and open them up. Let's see what we come up with here. Yeah, wet. It's super dirty, but wet. Let's see if we can test for spark. So best way to test for spark, stick the cap back on, rest it on the cylinder head. Now we're gonna put the key in and spin it a couple times. All right, key in, starter there. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can get the camera at a better angle. A tiny bit of spark. There should be so much more than that. Makes me think maybe we got some foul plugs. Bit in there. Doesn't seem like a lot. Let's check the other side. Same deal. Wet, kind of black, not too bad. Let's test for spark on this one. Same process. When you're checking the other side, make sure you use the same spark plug cap. So you're testing that kind of too at the same time. Don't see much of any of them. It's a little in there. When in doubt, replace the spark plugs. Let's do that now. This snowmobile takes a BR9 ECS. You get asked this question a lot. What's the difference between a BR9, a BR9 ES versus the BR9 CS, BR9 ECS? The only difference is on the electrode at the bottom. You can see that there's a little chamfer there, where this version, getting the focus there, doesn't have that. This will work in there if it's a must, have to, gotta get going, stuck somewhere, it'll work short term, but you should put the right plugs in. You should always get in the habit of checking the gap of a spark plug when you get it from the dealer or wherever it comes from. Check your owner's manual. In this case, I'm 0.31, and you just use a spark plug gap tester, something like that. Super simple. Just check them before you put it in. They always need a tiny bit of adjustment, usually a little tweak here, a little tweak there, but always safe bet to get them checked before you get going. So you can just screw the spark plug back in. Make sure you don't cross thread it. Get it down finger tight, and then tighten it with your socket wrench. So you put the key in, you click the kill switch. All right, let's hit the starter and see what happens. Oh, fired right back up. Well, from no start to start, seems like all we had to do was replace the spark plugs. Let's take it for a rip, check the spark plugs when you get back, see how they look, and we'll go from there. Just finished our run. Running great. Check the plug. Nice light brown color. Exactly what we want. Maybe it's running a little rich. That's something that check next. Well, it looks like the spark plug change was all that we needed to get this sled running. Definitely one of the things to check when you got no start. Go right to the spark plug.